Yo, content creation will really make any day a good day. And I mean, even like your worst days, those days you like, bro, like, I'm doing horrible. The morning started off exactly how I didn't want it to go. And you still have a good day. Why? Because you can get on your phone or your camera or whatever and make a video about what you should have done and what you learned in terms of a lesson today. So one of the things I'm just so happy about is even on my worst days, I can have a good day because it gives me content to talk about. If you were perfect, if everything was going right, you know what I mean? What would there be to talk about? There'd be nothing to post on social media because if everything was right, then it's just like, okay, there's no real like story here. Great stories have conflict, have problems. Your life, well, everybody's life has problems. Everybody isn't perfect. That fact makes you perfect to be a content creator. We usually try to create content by thinking of ideas people want or whatever, blah, 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 but it never really hits. Why? Because it's not authentic. Your best content comes from the heart. It comes from you actually talking about what you're going through or what you've actually learned from experiences that have a story behind them. People can read a book or like they can go to school just to get bullet point information. But the reason they listen to a content creator is because they're a real person, hopefully. There's not a lot of us out here that are real people. A lot of us are bots. You feel me? A lot of people are bots on social media. How to do this and this. It's like, dude, like, can you just talk to me like a regular human being? So being a content creator is so like dope because it's like today, like, it's what time is it, dog? I'm not gonna cap with you. I can look. It's 11. I know it's backwards on y'all joint, but it's 11:59. It's almost noon. I just got out the bed. I told myself I'm getting up at 5:30 this morning. I'm just not getting out of bed. I was doing a bunch of stupid stuff. But because I had such a horrible morning, bro, I typed out like 30 different titles. Like one of my strategies for YouTube is I'm all about titles. I typed out 30 different titles because I was inspired by how bad of a day I was. So I was having all these negative thoughts that inspired me of negative feelings of why you shouldn't. And blah, blah, blah. I had all these ideas for content creation because I was having a bad day. I'll be honest, my good days, I don't make as much content. I don't. But it's my bad days I make the most content because my content is authentic. And a lot of people don't do that. And so if you're somebody out there that's dealing with maybe not knowing what to post, talk about not knowing what to post. That's content. Everything that you're going through, there's somebody else that's going through it. Therefore, you posting it is something they need to hear so they're not alone. Okay? Or it allows them to be inspired. People aren't inspired by information. They're inspired by relatability. Then they listen to the information. If they're not inspired, why would I listen to you? If they don't relate, why would I listen to you? Your story, your problems, what you're going through, the things that affect you. All those things is what's the channel that connect to somebody to then give them the information. The worst thing you can do as a content creator, well, some people can do it as their personality, but how about I say this? The best thing you can do as a content creator is connect first, then get information. I'm not, and then it gets even better when you don't even gotta like really try for the information. It just comes out through the story. But like people listen to people they relate to. And so the reason being a content creator is so dope is because you relate with the things you mess up on. People don't relate to, hey, I did this every single day and I'm a perfect human being. Well, I don't do that. You know, you may click on it because you aspire to be like that, but if it's not realistic or if it feels so fake, why would I click on that? People relate to me because, look, I'm a regular dude. I got these twists in my hair. I probably need a haircut, but it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm wearing a regular t-shirt. It got some dirt on it because I like eating my food a little messy. You feel me? I probably drink a little bit too much wine, but I enjoy it while I cook. You know, I'm a regular guy. You know what I'm saying? I've achieved some things, but everything I go through, I post. I don't create content. I live life and then record. And so that's why being a content creator is dope. And honestly, I forgot what I even started this video on. But that just, like, I don't know what I'm even talking about right now. But just go to show how fun I'm having making this content. That's what content creation is. Content creation isn't a crutch. Oh, I gotta make another video today. You shouldn't be creating this stuff if you don't like it, unless it's like a specific like avenue for your business and whatever, and that's from something you love to do. But like, bro, like, this is supposed to be fun. Don't overthink it, bro. Like, look at me. I just got my phone out and just started talking. Somebody gonna like it. Like, comment, subscribe, notifications if you want, even if you don't. I had fun making the video. Bye.